Hey y'all, it's the great one, and we back with something with a new one, and we're gonna call it Package Day Friday. Yes, sir. Just made it to the house and got the kids situated and all that, and heard a little knock at the door. Went out, didn't see nobody, but I seen a nice, healthy box on my porch. Like, wow, what could this be? Don't know what this possibly could be
This
because I
episode
wasn't
is brought to
expecting
you
nothing from
by
no other companies this week.
Heybar Devices
But
and
hold
Dog
on.
Rate 1 Reviews.
Wow. Wow. This is something I've been waiting on for a while. I almost forgot about it, honestly. But wow. It's here, y'all. Woo-wee. Y'all see that, right? It's the
Ola
Ola
HiDr8 by
Heybar
Heybar
devices.
Devices.
Wow. We got the big boy right here. And we also have something else in here. Wow. A wax pen? Wow. So yeah, all the companies, y'all can send me that wax and that crumble now. Wow. We got a wax pen, y'all, from Heybar. Wow. I was not expecting this, y'all. I honestly didn't think it was going to come. Wow. Hey, these reviews going to be lit, y'all. We got some stuff we can review with now. Wow. They also sent me a Heybar light up battery. Wow. Hey, y'all, I was not expecting this to come. Shout out to Heybar. Wow, y'all just made my day. Hey, y'all, it's up there. It's up there. So all the companies y'all want to send me concentrates, wax, and also the carts. You know, a couple companies send me carts here and there, but yeah, y'all can send them in. Now we got great lit reviews gonna be coming, y'all. Shout out to Heybar. They got us right. They got us together. Wow. Okay. We're gonna be back in a minute to show y'all how these work. The great one style. Hey, yo. New package just touched down from Heybar Devices. Wow. And this is the Ola, y'all. Wow. Let's see what we got in it. Yeah, I like the presentation, y'all. I like that presentation. See what comes in the box. It's your Ola filter. Wow. It shows you what comes in it. The one Ola vaporizer. Filter vaporizer. Filter set. The glass. The triple quartz. Koi atomizer. Ceramic atomizer. Wow. Hold on. I also forgot to mention, we also got the wax pen, y'all. We got the Heybar wax pen. Dual quotes. Ceramic coil. Glow lightning. Auto heating. And that's a type C. Wow. Easy to use, y'all. Okay. Design, colorful life. Okay, we got something else too, y'all. What else is this? This the battery. Lightning battery. Type C. Fast charging. Glow lightning. Okay. Preheat setting. Button activated. Okay, shout out to Heybar, y'all. Hey, y'all, let me show you how this works, though. There you go. That's hard. Shout out to Heybar, y'all. We finna get lit. Wow. Is y'all seeing it? Okay. So you tap it one time. Okay, y'all seeing that, right? Hold on. Ooh, wait. Wow. Perfect. Work like a charm. That's exclusive, y'all. Shout out to Heybar for blessing us with these products, y'all. This gonna be lit. Great. Come.